Hi, my name is Willow Kelly. I'm Government Affairs Director for the Outer Banks Home Builders Association and the Outer Banks Association of Realtors. I'm also involved with a group called NC20, which is a coalition of public and private interests in the 20 coastal counties of North Carolina, and we've been working on some legislative issues that we want you to be aware of. First and foremost, there was a press release given by the Department of Insurance back in December of 2008 that announced rate increases or rate changes statewide in North Carolina. Because that was such some time ago, we want you to be aware of these changes because we really don't think that the message is getting out about the rate increases that are about to take place May 1st of this year. And of course, that's next week. Beginning May 1st, 37 counties in the state of North Carolina may be seeing a slight decrease, but 63 counties, the city of Raleigh, the city of Durham, Winston-Salem, and Greensboro will all be seeing increases. And we want to make you aware of this. The increases are certainly going to be hurtful to those people that are struggling at this time. They are going to, of course, affect those that are facing foreclosure, that are seeing hardship in making ends meet. And we're here to tell you about a couple of bills that are currently in the General Assembly. Yes, you're going to be seeing rate increases for the most part in the state of North Carolina, and they're going to be listed here for you to see. The counties of Alamance, Anson, Beaufort, Bertie, Bladen, Brunswick, Camden, Carteret, Chatham, Chowan, Columbus, Craven, Cumberland, Currituck, Dare, Davidson, Duplin, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Gates, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hertford, Hoke, Hyde, Johnston, Jones, Lee, Lenoir, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, New Hanover, Northampton, Onslow, Orange, Pamlico, Pasquotank, Pender, Perquimans, Pitt, Randolph, Richard, Robeson, Sampson, Scotland, Tyrrell, Wake, Wayne, Wilson, and Yadkin. If you live in any of those counties, you need to be aware of a couple of bills in the General Assembly. First, there's House Bill 426. It's been debated twice in the House Insurance Committee. It may be up for a vote again next Thursday, and this is where your voice needs to be heard. This bill was introduced by Representative Tim Spear and co-sponsored by many other legislators, and it was basically an attempt to help people and not kick them while they're down and to give them some type of relief for 1 year. This bill, House Bill 426, and its companion bill, Senate Bill 428, would impose a temporary stay on all property insurance rate increases for homeowners policyholders across the state until July 1st of 2010. It was an honest attempt to help you. It was an honest attempt to recognize that unemployment is in double digits in all 100 counties, foreclosures are on the rise, and any additional cost in owning a home at this time will further burden those struggling through these tough economic times. These additional costs also affect refinancing opportunities, financing opportunities, and the ability to reduce the extensive inventory of homes on the market. This certainly is a housing issue. They recognized that when these rates were approved by the Department of Insurance back in December, we weren't in the shape that we are in today, and we need to look at this. We need for you to contact your legislators. We need for you to contact members of the House Insurance Committee and tell them that you support House Bill 426. Give us that much-needed break for 1 year. Senate Bill 428 is also being heard in the Senate Commerce Committee. Your voice needs to be heard there also, and please contact members of the Senate Commerce Committee and your local legislators and tell them, please, don't let these rates go into effect. Please give us this support and give us this break for 1 year. I would just like to add that there has been a lot of information in the press and the media about insurance in the past several months. These bills are independent of any type of litigation. They're independent of what you may be hearing about issues with the so-called Beach Plan, Fair Plan. These two bills here, House Bill 426 and Senate Bill 428, do not affect any decreases that may take place May 1st. They only affect the increases. And I'd just like to let you know, those areas that will be seeing a slight decrease of 1.2% to 6%, the decrease is so minimal, the impact is about $5 to $25 a year on a $150,000 policy. And I'd like for you to also be aware that those areas that are seeing a decrease, they have not had any increase in their rates in 16 years since 1993. So please, again, keep in mind, take a minute out of your busy day or whatever you're doing to take the time to please call your legislators, call the members of the House Insurance Committee, tell them to support House Bill 426, and give us this much-needed break for the next year. Thank you.